Are you still handwriting labels, calling carriers for rates, and copy and pasting tracking numbers into a spreadsheet? Shipping is now here with Lexul, with no extra software and especially with no extra cost. So Lexul already runs your work orders, your inventory, and your customers. But shipping used to mean leaving Lexul and printing labels or rate shopping somewhere else. But that is no more. We built it right in. With Easy Post, connect to hundreds of carriers from one single screen. And better yet, setting this up only takes a few minutes. All you have to do is go to Easy Post, create a completely free account, copy the API key, paste it into Lexul, and now you have access to hundreds of carriers. There is 3 ways to ship within Lexul. Let's jump into Lexul and take a look at these 3 ways. So if you're moving inventory between warehouses or shipping straight to a customer, go to Inventory, then Transfer Orders. So let's go to the menu, find Inventory, and we'll go to Transfer Orders. Here we can also see a Shipments tab with all the total amount of shipments here as well, with tracking numbers that can be clicked on to view. Here in the Transfer Order section, you can go to a specific transfer order, open it up, and there's going to be a specific shipping section below the pick list table. So if you hit add, you can add your address. If there's no address on file, you're going to have to manually add it. Otherwise, it will automatically, the address should be what the transfer order is for. And then for your box, you can add your specific dimensions for the shipment. So in this case, we need 20 by 14 by 10. And it's going to be roughly about 12 pounds. And once we add the address, if it doesn't automatic fill in for you, you can manually add the address, add the box dimensions, the weight, and you can create and get rates. This is going to go run through the carrier list, and it's going to find prices for that specific box. So you can see these here, ground, priority, or express. You can select one of them, or else you can go back and edit the address if you need to, or edit the box size if you messed up for some reason. So in this case, we want priority. So I'm going to go ahead and find that label and buy it. From here, you can either download or print the label. And that's the first way to ship from a transfer order. The next way to ship is if you go directly on a work order. So let's just find a work order here and just pick a random one. At the end of the work order, you're going to find a shipment section connected to the work order. So it's the same thing here, the same process. And for a new shipment, the address will already pre-fill from the customer or asset that's on the work order. So you don't have to worry about that. And then you can also fill in the box size as well. And we already made one here. You can print the label and download the PDF for the label if needed. The final way to ship within Lexul is from a sales order. So find sales in the menu, go to sales orders, and find the sales order that you're looking for. And once you add the necessary items, create sales order items, you can create a shipment from this as well. So it's the same thing, add new shipment, it's going to pre-fill, and you can add your dimensions and create and get rates and create and print the label. Also too, on every single place, on these 3 places where you can ship, there's also going to be a tracking option as well that Easy Post will give for you. So it'll tell you exactly where to go, what to do. And just a quick tip, before you add size and weight of your shipment, of your box, make sure that it's within the carrier's limit. Otherwise, if it's above the carrier's limit, of course, Lexul is not going to be able to produce a label for that specific box. So now that we know that Lexul is integrated with Easy Post, what kind of carriers do we support within Lexul? Think of USPS, UPS, FedEx, DHL, Canada Post, Amazon Shipping, Roadie, and Uni. Whether you're shipping one small box or a big pallet, it all uses the same process, so you don't have to worry about that. So kind of looking back from a further view, Lexul integrates with Easy Post very quickly. It only takes a few minutes to copy and paste that API key. You can do shipments from 3 different locations, from transfer orders, from sales orders, and directly from work orders as well. And again, you can print and copy the labels, and you can find a ground shipping, priority shipping, or even faster shipping than that. And you can select and download and print your labels directly from there. And then find with Easy Post, hit the tracking icon, track the package, and see exactly when it will arrive when you need it. If you have any questions about shipping with Lexul, leave it down in the comments and we'll be happy to get back with you. Thanks, and we'll see you in the next video.